Hey everyone, Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor. Just want to share with you a quick topic about home repairs. And I was actually talking with a contractor buddy who, was sharing with me how sometimes people don't expect home repairs to cost so much. And a big part of that is when you're doing larger projects where you have to open up walls, change out drywall, things like that. Sometimes you come across things that are an issue. You might take drywall down and realize that the boards behind the wall got wet at one point, they're rotted, maybe an animal got in there, especially older homes. You have things that could increase the cost of your home repair. So home ownership is the best thing. I still think it's just one of the best things that you can do in life is have a home, own a home. But don't expect many home repairs to just be right on what you planned. So if you think it's going to be, let's say $3,000, it might be $4,000. There's a rare case that it might be less, but most of the time home repairs cost a little bit more. And in extreme cases, it costs a lot more. So just want to share this with you. Always get a couple quotes if you're looking to get something major done, like a kitchen remodel or a bathroom remodel, things like that. But always expect things to cost more when you're looking to do a home repair. Hope you guys found this useful. Please visit my website. It's abouttherealestate.com. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor.